One night when there wasn't much worthwhile to do, I pulled up an armchair and flicked on the tube. 6 six-packs of beer and 6 6-packs of eggs. I settled right down to get stuffed and less legged. I boiled all those eggs in a deep boiling pot and cracked out one beer from the load that I'd got. The first egg I left till its yolk had gone hard, then slipped it down my throat like oval-shaped lard. Egg number 2 went the way of its brother, followed quite close by a similar other. More bottles of booze and the pressure built up. My beer stein felt useless, as did my egg cup. A movie, 3 adverts and several beers more. My gut began stewing and me did implore. Not fill it with any more eggs if I pleased. It felt it had come down with a gut bust disease. 2 6-packs of beer got me to 10 p.m. 9 oval-shaped demons inside me with them. I slowed up the pace on the eggs for a while, cause my butt had discharged and my pants were on trial. Hold on now, it wasn't a serious leak, just gas, understand, and nothing about which I needed to freak. I fired in another fine brew and 3 slurps, 2 eggs for good measure, a third for good burps. By 12 I had walloped off 2 dozen beers. 18 eggs had moved me, and not just to tears. The pressure was rising, the end was in sight, but I knew there was more work before me that night. 3 movies, the news show and the weather were watched. My stomach was bulging, my eyesight was blotched. No seats till I've finished, I loudly proclaimed, that a risk was increasing, that I'd be left maimed. My eyes ached, my gut ached, my butt felt encased, and tranced like I jammed 4 more eggs in my face. 6 beers washed him down for my God and his pride. For my sake I thanked him, my smell sense had died. By 2 in the AM I'd 6 more beers left, but 32 eggs meant my belly had cleft. This stopped me not long and I ate 3 more slow. 3 dozen boiled eggs, bar the one I to go. The beers were gone warm, yet were still fairly strong, but it wasn't the booze that had laid me out long. I stopped and looked long at that last oval bomb before necking it swiftly with much practiced aplomb. I'd long lost the feeling in my feet and legs from 6 6-packs of beer and 6 6-packs of eggs. And round about 4:45 in the morn, a 16-stone drunk baby Eggman was born.